It's a beautiful day in Lagos, and I'm about to show you this most exquisite 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in the heart of Lekki, Lagos. Now, this place is actually a magnificent place. It comes with a parking space for up to 3 cars. You can see this ample parking space. It comes with a swimming pool, and the rooms are so very spacious. I'll be taking you on a tour to this beautiful building to see what we have in here. Now, watch the video to the end and you'll be glad you do. Remember, my name is Davies from the stable of Bonner Realty, and my job is to assist you with the right real estate information so that when you'll be making your real estate decisions, you'll be making the right one. Now, coming into this beautiful estate, you can see the parking space. This is actually very nice, and the swimming pool is just right behind this beautiful estate. Now, join me. Let's go inside so I can show you what we have in here. Come on, let's go. So coming into this beautiful 5-bedroom duplex, you would come and meet this 6-meter armor door, and you will be welcomed with this lock. Now, this is actually a beautiful one because you can use your fingerprint to open it, or you can also use your access card or a code right here. This is actually a beautiful one which I advise all my clients to use, because now this one comes with the house. So if you're paying for the house, you are getting this for free. And now closing it, you would get to access and see who is on the outside. This is actually a beautiful one. You can get to see who is on the outside, who is knocking, and who is trying to enter into your compound. Now, this is actually a walk-in place. You can see this is a place where you can welcome your visitors. You can see it's actually very spacious, and we have right here the visitor's toilet. Your visitor can use the toilet on here, and this is actually a place where you can wash the hands and also do their business on here. This is actually a modern, facility which we've gotten for every of our smart investors. Now, coming into this sitting room, you can see how large this sitting room is. This is actually a beautiful one. Now, take a look at it. It comes with a CCTV camera. It comes with an inbuilt speaker. This is more of what we call a smart home, right? I know you know that. This is actually a beautiful place where you can install your TV right here, make your TV cursor a large one that will be suitable for you and also your family. Now, let's go into the kitchen. Now, I forgot to tell you that aside from the electricity from this house, it also comes with a solar panel. Take a look at the solar panel. When you secure this unit, you are getting this for free. You don't need to lose out on this one. Now, take a look at this kitchen. This is actually a place where every lady in the house loves so much. Take a look at this kitchen. You can see now we've installed for you washing machine on here. You can see the washing basin, very nice, very good. You can see the center table, which you can call the island, and we have the 5-burner heater right here. You can see everything is so new, and we have the heat extractor right here. A lot of cabinetries on here, a lot of cabinetries. You can see just a lot of them right in here, and here you can put your plates, your pots, and every other thing you would need into this place. And right here we have your oven, we have your microwave, and we also have your fridge, your refrigerator right in here. So when you are coming into this home, you don't need to buy any of this. This is actually a beautiful one for you. And we have on here the storeroom. This is a place where you can put your rice, your bag of rice, your beans, your plantain, every other thing. This is actually a beautiful place where you can do that. And this is a door that leads to the outside. So if you want to go outside, you don't need to go through the sitting room. You can use right on here. And now this is actually our guest room. Take a look at our guest room. You can see how spacious this guest room is, and we have a lot of windows. We have windows here that can bring in ventilation, and it comes all Ensuite. Now look at the lightnings around this house. This is actually a perfect one for you. It comes all Ensuite. We have the toilet and bathroom on here. We also have our wardrobe right on here where you can put your clothing, you can put your shoes, you can set up a beautiful place. This is actually a good one for you. Now let's go upstairs to see what we have here. Now if you're just watching our channel for the first time, use this medium to click on the subscribe button and also share this video so that you will be glad you do. This is actually a beautiful one. You don't need to miss out on it. Let's go upstairs and show you what we have on here. So coming upstairs, we have this staircase and we have lightnings that will be shining where you can put it on and you can put it off so you don't miss your step while coming to your rooms. Now, the first thing you will see is this lounge. This is actually a beautiful lounge. This is actually a place where you can set up beautiful things. You can set up your game center right here, put some couch here, put a TV and play your games right here, or you can put your big dining table where you can sit and enjoy your lunch, dinner, breakfast with your family, a very, very spacious one. Or you can also put a snooker board here where you can play with your family. Any of this choice is meant for you. This is actually a perfect one for you not to lose out on. You can also use it as a wine bar where you can set up your wines right here. If you're a lover of wine, this is actually a beautiful one for you. Very, very conducive, very, very nice. And now we have over 4 rooms in this beautiful duplex. Now the first room is by your left hand side. You can take a look at it, take a look at the rooms. You can see very, very nice, very, very sizable. And we have our wardrobes on here. You can put your clothing, your suitcase, your everything, it's right here. You can set up your shoes on here, put your jewelries on here, put your bed, put a TV right here, or any other thing you like is actually a good one for you. Bedroom is a place where I like so much because the facilities there are top notch, the designs, the architectural designs there is very nice. So coming into the master's bedroom, on your right hand side you will see a walk-in closet. This is a walk-in closet where you can keep your shoes, your jewelries, your clothes, your everything. This is actually a beautiful one for you. And going inside is your closet. You have your bathtub right here where you can take your shower. You have your WC where you can do your business. We have your water heater. We also have your cubicle. If you don't need to use your cubicle, you can use your bathtub right on here. And now we have our washing hand basin. 2 washing hand basins. You can use one and madam will use one. This is a place, and like I said, it is a smart home. Just with a touch of the F4 button, it brings out light for you to use. Just with a touch of the button, it brings out this beautiful light, so you don't need to miss out on it. So let's go into the master's bedroom and show you more of what we have here. This is the master's bedroom. You can see how spacious this master's bedroom is. This is actually very, very gigantic. This is the place where you can put your TV console, set your TVs on here, and have a beautiful one with your wife and your family. Now we have here where you can put your 6x6 king size bed right here. You can make it one of your lamp here and your other lamp here. Have a good king size bed for you and your wife. Now, after the rooms, we have the balcony where you can enjoy and see the outside view of this beautiful place in Lekki, Lagos. Now, check it out. This is actually the beautiful one. You can see how beautiful design this place is. You can see how this estate is very, very nice. And here is our popular Lekki Ekpe Expressway. I know you know some of the buildings right here. This is actually a popular place in Lekki, Lagos. So you don't need to miss out on this. This 5-bedroom fully detached duplex is currently selling for 300 million naira. And if you give us a call today, we will strike a deal for you and you'll be getting it at a very, very affordable price. All you just need to do is give us a call with that number written on your screen. Let's help you secure this beautiful unit and get you a good investment portfolio for yourself. And if you're just watching our video for the first time, use this medium to click on the subscribe button and also share this video to your friends and family so that when we post subsequent videos on real estate, you'll be among the first to be notified. Remember, my name is Davies from this level of Banana Realty, and my job is to assist you when you write real estate information so that when you make your real estate decisions, you will be making the right one. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also check the description below so that you can see a link that leads to my WhatsApp so you can make more inquiries of this beautiful home or any other beautiful home in Lekki, Lagos. Don't miss out on this beautiful deal. I will see you in my next one.